Good morning. It's 7 a.m. and we are we are off. Yeah. Morgan. Then after that we'll be continuing the synthetic, and the morning starts with the light breakfast with tea and cream rolls.
Authentic.
So it's the day 3 of our tour. In case you missed our earlier 2 videos, do check them out to understand the journey so far. Yesterday we missed one of our daily target destination, and now we need to do some additional kilometers to cover up the distance. With less distance that we covered yesterday, we got to rest more, and the day started with some good energy.
Early morning, around 7 o'clock, leaving from Teur. Quite foggy, moderately cold. Enjoy this ride, man. This is awesome. This is the Pune-Sholapur highway. Now we are heading to Morgaon. From there to Siddharth. So heading towards Sholapur. Beautiful highway, nice roads. Traffic is okay. Enjoyable ride. Beautiful nurseries out here. Beautiful saplings, flowers, plants. Nice.
For around initial 50 kilometers, the road was neat. With lesser efforts, we were able to get some good average speed. Though the roads were good, it seemed to be same and boring. Ups and downs and nothing around. With increasing heat, riding on these roads, it was really getting difficult.
There's a beautiful banyan tree. The much needed respite for us. Among the heat we have been running. Sugarcane juice to top it up. It's at least 100-year-old tree at least. इसलिए बोलते हैं पेड़ मत काटो आरे वालों। आरी चलाना आसान है, पेड़ लगाना मुश्किल है।
We reached Morgaon by 1:30 PM. It was a calm place. A lot of small vendors around the temple. An amazing cost saver was the lunch provided by the temple for just 20 rupees per plate.
This is your rural Maharashtra. Huge temples everywhere.
We had by now covered around half of our daily distance. Next target for the day was Synthetic, which was around 70 kilometers from the point that we resumed the ride. The roads from here were not completely good. We came across few rough patches, not so difficult, but yes, with all the weight in our panniers, it was a bit challenging.
This is a real off-roading, man. Horrible road, work is going on, but the slope is actually very risky. Need to be very careful. Lot of stones, pebbles, and gravels, sand. the worry of getting your tire punctured.
By 5 PM we reached a place called Daund. This place and worst road ever experienced by me. So far these roads made me wonder how people commute on them daily.
The worst stretch of road from down to Siddhatek. In this darkness, no light. Absolutely toughest ride ever had.
So it's end of day 3 and we had a horrible ride to Siddhivinayak temple, and roads are awful. Rather, there are no roads at all. Like they are not qualified to be called as roads. It took like around more than 2-3 hours for us to travel through those roads.
Just around 20 kilometers.
20 kilometers around.
Took hardly around. It took around 3.5 hours just to cross around 20 kilometer stretch. Such a bad road, no lights, full of dust. Horrible, most horrible ride. I hope we got a good room to get fresh.
And I hope somewhere this message goes to the concerned department so that the road gets fixed as soon as possible.
And this has been the same for the last 4 years. When I have come here 4 years ago, the road condition was the same, not improved in the last 4 years. I don't want to go further on record.
Pretty disappointing.
We covered approximately 135 kilometers for the day, and the total kilometers covered in 3 days were around 450. We still got 2 more days and around more than 200 kilometers to cover. Thanks for watching our journey so far. If you liked the video, do share it with your friends and hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.